How to sign up for Jasper affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Jasper affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. Let's get started without wasting any time. So if you have already an account, you can log in from here. But if you want to make an account, you are just a beginner, you can try Jasper for free. Today I'll teach you how you can sign up for Jasper affiliate program. Let's scroll down and we'll go to the bottom of the website. Here you'll see an option of Jasper affiliate program. As you can see, it is in the company section. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, you will land on this page, and here is the application for the affiliate program, which is currently closed, but we will get on the wait list. So first of all, you need to type your name here, and let's type our name, and here we'll type the email, and then we'll click on get on wait list. Let's click on try Jasper for free. We will continue with Google. Here it will ask you how do you plan to use Jasper and what is your role, what industry are you in, and what is the size of your company. Let's answer them, and here I'll click others. In what industry are you? I'll click on advertising and marketing agency, size company. I'll then click on next step, and here you need to answer them that how are you planning to use Jasper in your workflow. Let's say I'll click on website content, and then I'll click on submit, and then it will give you some plans. You need to choose a plan for yourself. I'll click on start free trial, and then you need to enter your card information, your name on the card, and the country or region. Then you need to click on start free trial, and you will enter to Jasper affiliate program. Currently they are closed, but once it's open you can apply for them, and then they will email you back. This is how you can apply for Jasper affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.